Welcome! In today's guide, we'll walk you through the steps to delete a group from shortcuts on WhatsApp Web using your PC. This process is quick and easy, so let's dive right in. First, open WhatsApp Web on your PC. To do this, launch your preferred web browser and navigate to the official WhatsApp web page. Log in by scanning the QR code with your mobile device, and you'll see all your chats and groups displayed on the screen. Next, locate the group you wish to delete from your shortcuts. This should be a group that you are no longer a member of. Click on the group to open its chat window. If you've exited the group previously, you'll notice a message indicating that you are no longer part of it. Now, here's the key step. Press Ctrl + Alt + Backspace on your keyboard. This shortcut is specifically designed to remove groups from shortcuts on WhatsApp Web. A confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. Take a moment to review the confirmation message. If you're sure about deleting this group, click on Confirm to finalize the action. And just like that, the group will be removed from your shortcuts list. By following these simple steps, you can keep your WhatsApp web interface organized and free of unnecessary groups. This method is especially helpful for maintaining a clutter-free workspace while using WhatsApp on your PC. Thank you for watching this guide. Be sure to check out more tips and tricks to enhance your WhatsApp experience.